Here is the forecast for tomorrow. Looking not too shabby. Got a 30% chance of showers late in the afternoon, with winds becoming southwest 20 gusts into 40 in the morning, then increase into 40 gusts into 60 in the afternoon. Pretty nice. And then Sunday night, a 30% chance of showers. Monday, we got rain and windy conditions. And then after that, dries up. Yeah. I'll be ending the video Tuesday after the Monday thing. On that note, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Alright, here's the forecast update from the morning. 80% chance of showers today. Winds becoming southwest, 30 gusts into 50 near noon. Tonight, 40% chance of showers, and the winds become light in the evening. Special, and then Monday, 6% chance of showers in the morning and early in the afternoon. Snow levels 700 meters. Winds south 20 gusts into 40, becoming southwest 40 gusts into 60 early in the afternoon. Let's see if they maintain that this time round. And then 30% chance of showers Monday night. And then all they do is Tuesday and 6% chance of showers there. Yeah, fun times. And then the weather network, this is kind of like, oh, fuck off. I hate this fucking dumbass app. Right down the middle here, right in the middle of the 7-14 day, or, well, 14-day trend here. 1 to 3 millimeters for the 8th, 2 to 4 millimeters, for close to a centimeter for the 11th, and then close to 5 millimeters for the 12th. Yeah, and I fucking doubt this shit. Like, seriously, grow the fuck up. You, come on. Like, I get it if it's like a night without precip, but with precip, or shall I say, with clearer conditions. But this, come on, 8 to -2, yeah. Not in spring, not in April. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Shit. That branch broke. open spot I know of that probably could have stronger winds than this, although less trees. Oh my! Oh my! Lower these winds to 40k too for today. Fucking assholes. This is so much better. No one around because it's crappy weather. Switch. Easily in excess of 60 or so, for sure. 10 meters, 10 meter gusts. Stronger. Surface. Seems weak, but this is what I mean. This is a perfect spot. undersides windy. It's perfect conditions for like no one to be around. Holy shit. Should've brought my cash roll, I forgot. Leaves on the trees. It's a lot harder for branches to break and shit, so. Just persistent gusts. Holy. Oh shit, here we go. Holy ballsack. For sure, this is cleaning house. All the dust and leaves and shit. Not surprised. The pressure all day. It's dropped from since 12 a.m. from 1,022 below now 1,005 millibars. That's 15 millibars in probably in 19 hours. 50 millibars in 19 hours. Jeez. It was bound to kick up sooner or later. No, it's like someone's burning shit up there. Slash burning. In these fucking conditions. Like, seriously. I forgot to bring my Castro. Meanwhile, to our south, it's north. Precipitating. We see this like dry hole. Like, see down there, it's definitely precipitating. And then to our south, fair distance away, but not as well. Very windy. Like I said before, they were forecasting only 40K. They lowered it from 60 to 40 for today. I knew that was bullshit. Fucking hell. Fuck. So blustery. It's definitely second season winds. Insane. Jeez. Alright, so that was the strongest of the, not the day, but I mean, I've experienced so far today. Jeez. Oh, they're picking up. Fuck. Stand blasted. Yeah, they're definitely picking up. Holy God. These are wicked. Much better than being at home, that's for sure. Long ass video. Still got the oil too. Got a second system. It's like every time I turn this, Jesus. Holy man. Jesus. Shooting sand. Oh, balls. Now there's people at 7 o'clock, 7, 8 o'clock. Dude. Jesus. Oh, my God. Something over there, definitely blowing that back porch there. bunch of dust blowing around because of this wind. Seriously. Easy access of 60, 70. Definitely 60. Let's go 50, 70. I don't know what time it is. So I definitely gotta call it. Definitely around quarter before 8. Well, head back. It's not going to be dying anytime soon, but I gotta head home sooner or later. It's been worth it, though, definitely. Thought this position would have been a little bit more shittier, but definitely a lot more perks than being dead inside the neighborhood. Every calm period comes with a very strong period. Jeez. I'm getting fucking cold. Give it 3 minutes. 3.5. And then we'll continue as per needed. If needed. As you see, I'm not seeing much of a sig uptick, but oh my lord. There we go. Watch it. Oh, sandblast. Oh my lord, it doesn't want me to leave. Oh, what? Laughing Christ. So as much as I love this, Christ, it's just so interesting, but it just comes to a point where it's not, like, you want to look away, but you can't. This is very, very strong. This hasn't surfaced here yet. Okay, 5 minutes and then we'll go. Something tells me here's a lull. It's gonna get ridiculous in a minute. 100%. Something tells me we're going to be getting the strongest gusts coming in right after this lull. Really cool watching the sand blow by. It just signifies the significant gust. Something's definitely like creaking, shaking over there. The roar. Minute mark, and yeah, so much for that. God. Holy God. Oh my God, here we go. Lights are on, so this is even better. Oh my word. Oh God. Man alive. It's just relentless. Yeah, we're gonna have to call it quits here. Oh my God. It'll continue. But I don't think it's going to get much better than that at this angle, with this angle. Oh, man. My hair is all half now. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here before the gust sideswipes me again. maybe if I just stay in my car. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go over there. Lights are on and all that. It's an open space too, so obviously just face the south and there to have our fun. Oh, fuck. I was waiting for a big, huge, like, swath of it. Fuck. These random crosswinds. I just missed. Damn it. There's the occasional good one or two. Holy fuck. Crosswinds are insane. We'll get one more good one. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go here. I have yet to be fucking impressed. I think that was just that one really big gust, whenever that was, and that was it. Head home, see how things are. Shit's still going. It's fucking hours later, it's still fucking going. I've never seen such a long-lasting fucking wind event. Like, this is insane. it's very slowing, and conveniently as pressure was kind of holding steady. And now the pressure started dropping again, and the winds are kicking up again. There was a slight lull. This does correlate with my theory about when frontal systems are nearing. This is fucking insane. But yeah, just a quick peek out here. Jesus. Shall be interesting to see about tomorrow, because the wind's just looking at it, because I'm still fucking forecasting. BC's it's looking fairly fucking windy tomorrow too. Like, I'm talking fucking windy. Like, the caliber of today, what was forecasted about a year ago, for tomorrow is fucking scaled up. So if anything, I'm worried about tomorrow. Both in terms, just overall, tomorrow looks like a very classical frontal event. But yeah, I'll see you guys maybe later on tonight, if not tomorrow. Alright, so this is what we're looking at here in terms of yesterday. So, come on, focus, you dude. So these are the max and mins here. Toasty! 17 fucking degrees today. Mind you, the sun was barely, well, I can't say as much for home, but at work it was not terribly sunny. It's a fair bit of cloud cover all day. Pretty dry too, 29%. And then winds, you can see that 24k, but obviously because of where it's positioned and all that, that makes it look a lot less than it really was. Well, is technically, but talking past here, was. But there was a max 26 on my station on the display, so this obviously goes by 5 minutes, so this is not accurate by any means necessary. And pressure went from 1,020 at 12 a.m. to 998 in the fucking at 12 a.m. or 11:59 if we want to be specific here. Oh my fucking lord. So in a matter of 24 hours, We dropped about 20 to 21 millibars in 24 hours. Fucking Jesus. We'll verify that with Environment Canada in just a second here. Hold it here for a little while. And you see the winds kicked up right around 4 o'clock, give or take. 3:30. Put the page zoom back. And this is what we're looking at in terms of the winds. So they peaked actually, funnily enough, at 12 a.m. at the airport, 61 kilometer gust there. But it's been going on since around 5 o'clock. Well, you can see around 2 o'clock there, but it's kind of been intermittent, and then it's been really going since 5 o'clock. Put it simply. But yeah, extraordinary. And let's look at the airport here. They went from 120 to 997. Yeah, they followed the same thing. It's fucking insane. And then the forecast. So the 11 o'clock update, because they made an emergency update because of the winds. They say these winds will diminish to 20 gusts to 40 after midnight, and then a few showers beginning overnight. Monday we got a few showers ending near noon with snow loads at 700 meters. Wind style 20 gusts to 40, we'll see. And then Tuesday all day we got showers. We'll see how that pans out. On that note, I'll leave you guys with that. I will see you guys officially in the morning now. Yeah. Hours after the wind initially kicked off. 3 p.m. It's still fucking blowing. I've been saying to myself, I wonder how it's gonna be like in the morning. Like if this wind's even gonna subside, like it's subsided maybe a bit here, but in terms of like frequency of these more fairly strong gusts. But I'm kind of thinking of like if this is actually ever going to just kind of like calm into like a light breeze at most. Nice focus, you